In part 1, the complete stickering work completed, and I got some review comments. So based on that one person asked me, could you please show 360 angle? So this is the 360 angle, and backside I have not given any stickering because I want to change Ford EcoSport type, and backside tire will come, big tire will come. So that is one thing. And front rooftop sports car type LED lights will come. And in Amazon I bought 14-inch tires and also alloy wheels from the Renault. 14-inch Renault, I bought it around 30,000 rupees I spent here. So in Tata Nano 12-inch tires will come. So if you are going to fit it, so it will be like this one. So near to my local shop, I went there and I have done some R&D. So I found some old rim and old tire, so 14-inch, and I have done some experiment. So while doing the experiment, I found this issue actually. The complete circle arc is touching and I'm unable to rotate the steering actually. So here I want to cut the complete shape. If I'm going to be cut the complete shape of the arc, then it's look like ugly. So that is the reason from the Amazon I bought, to get the muzzle shape, to get the sports look muzzle shape, I bought this one. So I'm going to fit it. So interior complete leather seat, bucket fitting will come, and also the pleasant ambient lights, and also a roof completely will come galaxy lights, and also dashboard will change, and second thing is steering also will change. So these are the changes will happen. And also I forgot to update to that one, 360-degree camera will come. So now what change I'm doing, it means the when I bought the car, so this is the condition, and now completely car dried, and the floor mat we are going to be installed, because step by step we need to be installed. So I need to make it as a good car, means first of all I need to erase the problems. So that is the reason floor mat as a second. So first part 1 stickering, and the second part floor mat I am doing. So step by step I am doing. Please enjoy. I am not going to be talk anything. So friends, please watch till end of the video.